What's going on today, YouTube? I'm making a quick little startup video. 1996 Volvo 850. I hadn't been started in about a week, so I'm gonna give it a start, see how it sounds. I haven't done anything to this car for a week. These are solid cars. Change the timing belt as usual. Let's see here. Turn the air off. There it is. Cold start video. Sounds pretty good. This car usually starts up every single time. Give you guys a little tip for today on not just these cars, but any cars. I'm gonna come around here to the engine. You can hear me through the traffic. Get this door shut. Yeah, it hadn't been started up for a couple of days. Started up just fine. Has this weird hood latch on these cars from the front, but I saw this guy broken down. He was broken down at a convenience store, and he was banging on his starter over and over and over again. And he thought it was a starter because he was getting a clicking, but it wouldn't turn over. It wouldn't turn the starter over. And what it turned out to be, I believe, is it wasn't his starter at all. He never bothered to clean or check his battery terminals. There's the negative, there's the positive. Now that one needs cleaned out, but he had battery terminal. He had a positive battery terminal where he had at least 3 or 4 of these ignition wires, different kind of wires that are, I'm sure, for the starter switch and the neutral safety switch and the backup switch and whatever other switch you can think of. He didn't take the time to check those, so I'm sure he had to pay a tow bill and all that other stuff. So just trying to save you guys a little money out there, because these things were so dirty. Both of them were. The negative was about as dirty as I've seen in a long time. The positive, man, corroded. Probably was just as bad at the starter end of it. You know, those, just shine those up. They have to be clean. Take the bolts out, shine up where they connect. Otherwise, it's going to act like a bad starter. You could tell he just wasn't getting enough juice to the starter. Now, sometimes it is a starter, but most of the time, keep it simple. The very first thing to check is the battery and connections when you run into these problems. It doesn't matter if it's a Volvo, no matter what car it is. Check your batteries. Connections first. Check your battery first. Somebody was trying to give him a jump start, and I said, it's probably not going to work. And sure enough, I found out later. Finally got the car going, but not after cleaning those battery terminals. So that's it, guys. Today, just a little quick tip. Keep the simple things first. If you don't have a good battery or good cables, your car's not starting, and you're going to misdiagnose it. So first thing to do is take that battery out, get it checked at AutoZone, free. AutoZone will check almost anything for free if you can get it off the car. If batteries aren't that hard to get off, just learn to do it yourself. That's it for today. Signing off.